So in this MacBook tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to increase keyboard brightness on the MacBook. So once the MacBook's opened up, I want you guys to go into the top left of your window, press on the Apple icon, then go into the system settings. So once you guys are in the system settings right here, I want you guys to scroll down a little bit here to where it says keyboard, then go ahead and select keyboard. Once you're in the keyboard page, it's pretty self-explanatory. There's keyboard brightness right here. For me, it's set to 0, but if you were to go ahead and slide this bar to the right, you can look at your keyboard and it should be a little bit brighter. You can also slide this to the left and make it less bright, so whatever the case may be. You can also edit some other settings as well relative to this, so you can adjust keyboard brightness in low light. You can turn keyboard backlight off after an activity, so you can go ahead and turn that on if you want. And basically, you can go ahead and play with this if you want in regards to making it brighter or not as bright. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to increase keyboard brightness on the MacBook. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.